Alright guys, so today we are doing an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 6. This is the enhanced combo. Alright, so this is how it comes. It shows here how to open it. Okay, so the box is empty now. I assume this is the stick. Yeah. It says that it's extendable up to 1.5 meters. I'm not too sure about that. Okay, so now some accessories. So what have we got in here? Okay, these are some stickers, some books, whatever. Okay, I think these are anti-slipping pads. Yeah. Okay, that's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay. I think some mounting rods. Again, some more mounting accessories. I think there's 2 of each. Yeah. This came with a 2 battery pack together with a charger. So these are the extreme 1950 milliamp batteries. Okay. Okay, this looks good. Right. Alright, now the most important, the camera itself. Okay, that's it. Wow, this is actually very small. This is very, very small. Alright, so I assume this is where the batteries go. Oh no, actually that's charging. No, that's transfer. So yes, this is it. That's what you get in the Osmo Action 6, the enhanced combo. Yes. So you get the camera itself. There are two extreme battery plus the battery case that can carry 3 batteries. We've got 2 of them only. This is the extension rod. It says 1.5 meter. Okay, then some locking screws, USB-C to USB-C 3.1 cable. Alright, so that's, yes, that is the quick release adapter mount. Yeah. And we've got 2 of them. Yeah. Yeah. So far, good first impression. Really looking forward to starting to use this.